so white. You see this? You see that white? Alright, what's up guys? Yo, today is the day of all days. We're gonna go pick up this FZ8. I'm so excited. Wait till y'all see this bike.
Daddy's excited.
They don't care. They don't care about my excitement. Alright guys, we're here. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to go see this bike. Let's just go do it.
So that's not normal.
Is this is extra?
Yep.
Nice.
Okay, I'll give this to my wife to kind of deal with. It's not bundled very big, so I'll let her at least count to make sure we're close, because I have no idea. And we can go as fast.
Yeah, definitely.
You know,
yeah, we're gonna cruise.
It's smooth. It's very smooth. It's not an FZ7 or an FZ9.
Yeah.
It's not going to wheelie.
Right. They were just throttle this. I've been watching so many videos.
This one is a lot better. That's it.
Alright. Hey, let me throw my gear on.
Okay, thanks.
No problem.
Bear
Thank you
joy.
so much.
Thank
Please
you.
be safe.
Definitely.
How you feeling?
So white. You see this? You see that white? I ain't gonna turn it back also. Alright guys, alright, so this is the bike, y'all. Yeah, look at it, the FZ8. Keep a lookout for it. More videos coming soon. I'm too hyped, yo. Too hyped, yo. Words can't even express it.